Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana's Food World. You are welcome. Today we are making this lovely fish meal. Just look at it. It looks so lovely. And I tell you, it's the most delicious fish recipe I've done. It is absolutely delicious. So guys, if you are new here, you are welcome. If an old subscriber coming back, thank you so much for coming back. Just look at how it is. It's so delicious and it's so flavorful. I love it. And you can also use fried yam as well for the recipe. So come along with me and let's do this. It's a very easy recipe, but it's so delicious. So guys, to start, I have my washed fish. This is croaker fish. Okay, you can use any fish of your choice, but this croaker fish is lovely. It's amazing. Okay, I've washed it nicely and I've made some dents in it as I'm showing you. Yes, so that the seasoning will go into the fish. Yes, so I am going to just season this fish nicely. So guys, to flavor my fish, I have some onions here and I have some ginger. I have a little bit of garlic, okay, and also I have some peppers, the green, red and yellow peppers, and I have spring onions, as you can see here. I've cut them and I'm going to blend them. And I have some thyme and some black pepper. I'll put all the ingredients in the description box, and also some Scotch bonnet. Yes, I love spicy fish. Okay, I have blended it nicely. As you can see, I blended it with oil. All right, so yeah, and I didn't blend it quite smooth. I like it roughly blend, not really smooth, as you can see there. So I am going to add some stuff to it as well. I'm going to add this chili oil. This is optional, but I love the flavor of this chili oil. The aroma it gives is amazing. It's called akabanga. Okay, I don't know where you can find it, but yeah, I think you can find it on Amazon, I think. Yeah, but I bought it in Ghana. It's absolutely flavorful. So I'm going to put all of that. I did put salt in the just seasoning, but it was off camera. So yeah, I put salt in it, all right? So as you can see, I am trying to put all the flavor, all this season into the fish. All right? So just follow along. So guys, it's all done. This is a lot of fish. I normally do that because I'm a working mom, so I put some in the freezer and the rest I bake it and then I use it. Okay, so yeah, I've done it, and then I'm going to, this is the day before, all right, so you make sure that the seasoning goes into the fish. Right, so I'm about to bake my fish. I'll put that on the tray and I'm going to put that into the oven at 180 degrees for it to cook perfectly. So whilst my fish is in the oven, this is the same seasoning I use for the fish, and I'm going to put some onto the fire and just cook it. Yeah, it's so flavorful, I tell you. Because I use oil for it, I'm not going to put any oil on it, because when it cooks, the oil comes out really good. As you can see, yes, it's cooking and the oil comes out. Yay! So yeah, it smells so good. The aroma is amazing. Okay, you can add anything to it if you prefer, but I'm adding Sriracha sauce because I love the aroma of Sriracha sauce with this. Okay, but this is optional. But if you like it, just add Sriracha sauce and you are going to love it. It gives a little bit of color as well. All right, I add some spring onions to it, and that's it. My sauce is done. Now I am going to check on my fish. So turning my fish, okay, it's cooking really good. Don't let it overcook. All right, so please use your tongue. All right, I always use my fingers and I love using that. Use your tongue. Right, I am pairing this fish with fried plantain, ripe plantain. This is sweet ripe plantain. Okay, I've cut them and then I am frying them. It goes really well with it. Or you can also use fried yam as well. It goes well with anything at all because the fish is so flavorful. So yeah, I fried my plantain and then my fish is all cooked. As you can see here, what I love is I put the sauce on the fish because it just really goes into it as well, and it's amazing with it. I tell you, you are going to love this. I really, really, really enjoyed this meal. So you have to try this, guys. You got to try this recipe. It's absolutely delicious. It's restaurant style. I tell you, if you go to any African restaurant, you're going to pay a lot of money for this, but you can do it at home. It's so delicious. So guys, if you like this recipe, give me a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel, and do put on your post notifications so that when I put up a new video, you will be notified. Thanks so much for watching, and may God richly bless you. Don't forget to share, okay? You can pair it, as you can see, with anything, with yam, with fried yam. You can have it with rice, with anything at all, because it's so flavorful. Thank you so much. Don't forget to share. Bye.